How to use Apple Intelligence features on your iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 16 series. Apple Intelligence features are designed to help you get the most out of your iPhone by providing personalized recommendations, proactive assistance, and intelligent automation. Here are some of the most popular Apple Intelligence features and how to use them. To use Apple Intelligence, your device must meet specific hardware, software, and storage requirements. First, ensure you have a compatible device, such as an iPhone 16 or iPhone 15 Pro model, an iPad with an A17 Pro or M1 chip or newer, or a Mac with an M1 chip or newer. Also, your device should be updated to the latest software, iOS 18.1, iPadOS 18.1, or macOS Sequoia 15.1. Let's see in detail how to use Apple AI, Apple Intelligence features here. Enhanced features in the latest update. Writing tools. This tool provides intelligent suggestions, grammar checks, and quick improvements to your writing. To use these features, open an app where you can type, such as Notes or Mail, and start writing. As you type, suggestions will pop up to assist you. Clean up photos. This tool improves image quality by removing unwanted background distractions without impacting the main subject. This allows for a cleaner, more visually appealing image with a focus on the primary elements. Create memories. Users can generate a curated collection of photos and videos by simply typing a description of the desired experience. This feature offers a fun, engaging, and personalized way to revisit memories. Notification summaries. This feature minimizes distractions and streamlines notification management. High-priority notifications are prominently displayed, enabling users to quickly identify and address urgent alerts while efficiently reviewing all other notifications. Enhanced Siri assistance. The redesigned system enables Siri to retain context from previous interactions, facilitating a more seamless and natural conversational experience. Siri can now better understand and respond to user requests, even with hesitations or mid-sentence changes in wording. Smart email and message features. The Mail app's Smart Reply function expedites response creation by suggesting pertinent details based on the content of the received email. By analyzing questions within the email, this feature assists users in crafting accurate and relevant replies, saving time and effort.